Thank you so much for being here with us today, this afternoon. We hope we have some exciting news for you, some exciting plans to share, and we're really, really happy to have you with us. I'm here to talk about our wonderful brand called 7 Up. 7 Up is a clear, refreshing drink with natural lemon and lime flavor. It has been growing in strong double-digit growths for us and doing really well, growing faster than CSDs. So we're very excited. We're very, very excited to be here today and share plans with you on this brand. With 7 Up, we also launched our brand Nimbus from 7 Up, which has real lime juice. Now, Nimbus was the first lemonade that we launched in the market. So both these brands are growing, are doing extremely well for us, and we're here to celebrate with you in this festive season. Now, Star with Alu is one of the biggest properties we've ever done. In fact, this was first launched in 2009. So in 2009, we launched a program where we asked for the most talented and the brightest and the best dancers to come together and for us to create a music video where they could star with the biggest superstar really that we have and that's Allu Arjun. Now, you can imagine the kind of excitement this got in the market because to dance with someone like Arjun is probably the dream for every young person today. At that time, we did it across Andhra Pradesh and we got, I think, over 3,500 entries. And of those 3,500, we finally selected 7 of the most talented dancers. And they came and they were a part of a music video that was shot all the way in Bombay. If you look at the visuals here, you can see the kind of energy and just the sheer excitement that this program created. It was a huge success with a number of young, talented, and this is way before reality shows became so popular in India. So this is a platform that 7Up has been really proud to associate with for a while. Last year, in 2010, we launched the first ever augmented reality program. And you just saw some ads about the program where you could hold up a bottle of 7Up against a web camera and you'd actually see your favorite star, Arjun, actually dancing on the screen. Again, this was the first ever, and so in its association with dance, I think 7Up has built a platform that's very close to the people of Andhra Pradesh in particular and in the south, because we all know how important dance and what an expressive form this is in this part of the country. Moving on, we're back, and we're back bigger and better than ever. We're back with season 2. We're back with Arjun looking for the next set of 7 dancers to be selected from all of those who want to be a part of something much bigger. And these 7 dancers will dance in the next big music video with Allu Arjun. And that's what we're here to launch today by 7Up. Now, the activation centers for this program are going to be more. And like I said, it's bigger and better than before. So if the last time this was about AP and it was about the top towns, today these are the activation centers including Bangalore. But the interesting fact is that any consumer from any part of India, if they want to, can come to these activation centers and can enter this competition. All they need is 7 labels or 7 crowns of 7Up or 7Up from Nimbus. So if you have 7 crowns or 7 labels from either of these brands, you can enter this competition. Come into any of these activation centers. The details will be given to you as you walk out. And you can participate and you have a chance to be one of those 7 stars to be a part of this wonderful music video. The names of the centers are there, and as you can see, we're going far and wide so that it's easy for consumers from any part of AP or, for that matter, even Karnataka and TN to come and enter into this contest. We kick off this program on the 23rd of October.
Excuse me, ma'am.